LT and I got the braids. Yes, sir. I'm popular man. Everybody wanted me to take the braids off. So, I'm a homeboy, Arm & Hammer. They help me out. Got to get this all rubbed in because I really did not want to take this off my head. But since everybody told me I need to get rid of it, using some of this Plasma Gold shampoo to get in there with some of this conditioner. Oh, I got a shampoo. Oh, man, say goodbye to it. Oh, man. Y'all making me cut my hair off bald. Golly. Use some of this little hair serum. Man, I didn't want to cut my hair off bald. Look at that, man. I look like Tupac or somebody, man. Thanks to y'all, I cut my hair. Now, how do y'all like that? I think I look better with hair. What y'all think? I'm just debating. Psych! Man, I talked to my cousins, Shell, Niecy, and Diane. Yes, sir, they from Marlin. They used to be hell on wheels back in the days in a good way. I love them. They stayed right across the tracks from me, I tell you. Diane said she gonna pray for me. Shell said she gonna stand with me. And me and Niecy gonna sit over there and talk about everybody. Ooh, family, that's looking good. Stick with me again, family. Well, while me, Shell, Diane, and Niecy, we was over there talking. Oh my, to the 3 Negro gods. Oh my God, that looks good. And I do look younger. Diane, if God would've made anything better, he would've kept it for himself. Yes, ma'am. Shell, you still standing with me? Niecy, we finna talk about some people. I gotta tell y'all, that's Harvey and Vin, them sisters. But enough of that. Let me get rid of this comb. Sometimes when you throw them away, they always wanna come back. Yes, sir.